me.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, okay. Thank you.
If you're interested in tours in Georgia and Azerbaijan, you can take it's free. It's different regions. You can visit
Can I take it?
interesting place.
Can I take it?
Yes, it's free.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
If you want tours, you call this manager.
What
His
number?
numbers.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
no
my
problem.
name.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Sam.
You are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. 1 minute. You can take picture of the tower from outside. I will buy tickets. Okay?
Sorry, I'm trying to get rid of my shadow.
I know, it's hard to get rid of your shadow. Standing here, you get a pretty good. Oh, the side here is good.
are you doing? I saw a brochure on your hand, so I thought that you like tours, and I'm
okay.
from Azerbaijan Travel International, another company. We have tours for Old City, Baku night, and regional tours. So
How much will it cost?
it costs 110 manats per person, but in this price we include your professional guide with a license, our own car, also all the tickets, and your lunch where you
Including that
yes,
price.
including this price. So you don't have to pay. After that price, you don't have to pay for anything. Your tickets your tickets are included. Your lunch with 3 types of meal: gotabs, kebabs, also fish or meat, and drinks are included in this price. Also, when you buy some regional tours, we give you for free Baku night tour. Also, so what are you interested in most? A natural part or historical part of our country?
Mostly historical part.
So historical part, and I advise you to go to Absheron tour because
Yeah, I
it's
know that place.
Yeah.
I never been there.
never been.
I've never been there.
It's a wonderful place. I advise this because it's not so far from Baku and you will not be very tired from tour. So first here we are going to Gobustan Museum where you can see first people in territory of Azerbaijan, their weapons, their instruments. After that, open air museum where you can see how they communicate in each other with these pictures, like drawings. Mud volcanoes.
Yanardağ here.
Yes, Yanardağ, yes. Also mud volcanoes. We like order special car for this place because standard car can't go there.
Okay, I understand.
Also, first oil well in Azerbaijan that was built in the Russian Empire.
In 1815s.
Approximately. I'm not very good at history, but I
know.
a little know about everything. Also fire temple, and nowadays people come here to like Zoroastrians come here.
Yes, I know.
So
Novruz bayramda before.
yes. And also Burning Mountain. I think you heard about all this because
Yes, I heard. I've been here. Not here. I've been here, but I've never been here. And Yanardağ and volcano.
Mud
volcano.
good places.
I can take it, and maybe not today. Maybe tomorrow I can visit. Договорная цена.
То есть скидку тоже можем сделать, вообще не проблема.
Хорошо, спасибо. Я с
Всё для
другом,
вашего
наверное,
удобства.
ответ. Спасибо.
Хорошо,
большое.
удачи вам.
Спасибо.